Uno Super Mario, how to play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. At the beginning of the game, remove the blank wild customizable cards and, using a number 2 pencil, write a house rule on each of them. All players must agree to the rule. These cards are wilds and may be played on any other card, even if you have another playable card in your hand. The rule on the card must be followed, then you pick the color that resumes play. Because the rules are written in pencil, you can erase and change them with each new game. The Superstar card may be played in response to any draw 2 or draw 4 card that another player played on you. Now, the player who played the draw card must draw the cards instead of you. This card is also a wild, so you pick the color that resumes play. If either the Superstar or customizable wild cards are the first card flipped at the beginning of the game, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any card on them. At the end of the game, these cards are worth 50 points each.